today's video ano itong lunch. So we will check our food, I mean our sugar after food. So mo ni atong lunch, salmon with carrot and cauliflower and some veggies. Yeah. Hello, good afternoon sa mga kalukarb. So for today, this is my lunch. So nag-check ta og sugar na to earlier. It's 147 after 2 eggs and dark coffee. So taas gyapon siya, no? So after that, mag-check ta after my food. So come, let's enjoy. So we have this broccoli. Steam. And then smoked salmon for our protein. Fun, guys. Mahulot na to ne. After 1 hour, we will check our sugar. So this one is for awareness, no? If you want to ask kano saan nag-start akong sugar nganong taas, even I am doing fasting, then so bago na to na, guys, pwede mo PM or mo comment. And then kung gusto mo og some tips also kung saang need na to kaunon and unsay pwede and not para sa mga taas og sugar. So for our fiber, vegetable, for our protein, smoked salmon, and for our fats natay pumpkin seed. I will show you. So kung needs na to og healthy fats, pwede ta magkuha to tag healthy fats from this one, pumpkin seeds, guys. This is very very good, most than any other seed, as kaili siya kuan vitamins, dugang kay benefits ang pumpkin seed versus kalabasa ba, pero gipanita na. So let me enjoy my food and then later we'll check my sugar after 1 hour. Thank you. After 1 hour, guys, mag-check na naman tayo after food. So yung kinain ko, broccoli and everything. So check natin kung gaano ka nag-spike ba yung sugar natin. Okay. So 147 after breakfast, 2 eggs and 1 cup of black coffee. So walang spike, 112. See, ito yung after 1 hour ko ng food. So 112. So highly recommended ang salmon and broccoli. Steam lang sa, guys, ha? So see, 112. So I think it's good. Walang spike yung kinain natin. That's it. Thank you.